welcome to another episode of whatever this is. This week we're going to talk about little steps to make big waves. It's about those little steps that get you from point A to point B. Those little itty-bitty, actionable, repeatable steps. You know, they say that the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. And sometimes, just sometimes, you're gonna have the worst distractions. Who am I kidding? You're gonna have distractions every single day. Some are simple ones, some are extremely complex. But don't let those distractions sway you from making small steps towards your bigger dreams. Sometimes the worst of the worst ideas get put into your head and you are lost in thought, thinking about them for hours. Don't let those affect you in any way, shape, or form. You've just got to keep on trucking on. Every day, make a small step.
Let's go do that.
Repeatable, actionable steps.
Hey man, come on.
Towards
We gotta push
the
him
bigger
on
wave.
the swing.
Every day.
Come on.
Every single
Let's
day.
go. Let's go push him on the swing.
Now push you.
All right. Here we go.
And sometimes you just gotta push him on the swings. One foot in front of the other. Right, Julian? Other times, you just gotta keep up the pace. Whew. And sometimes you're so tired, all you can think about is bed. Seriously, dude, can you stop talking? I am so tired. Regardless of your distractions, tiny footsteps. At the end of the day, that's all it takes. One step after the other. In a week wrap up, it was kind of a short week. I had 3 shows this week, which I absolutely loved. Anyways, loved the 3 shows that I was at. One step at a time. I took 3 tiny steps to make big waves. Can you also take 3 tiny steps to make big waves? Gonna end this. It was my daughter's birthday, by the way, and we went camping. So here's some footage of us camping. And don't forget to get your big waves tank top or t-shirt. See you on another vlog.